I think the most exciting thing that everyone knows is AI. How we're leveraging is pretty interesting. Helping out the agents, helping out the management side. There's a lot more use cases that we're slowly putting in the roadmap that I think is going to be really cool. AI can just free up people's time. It'll be really interesting.
We're cutting edge here at Computing Talk, right? We do a lot of custom applications. In 1 year, we've learned so much about AI, not we as a company, but we as an industry.
Just as, AI for the contact center was becoming a hot topic, folks were trying to understand what's the next best thing, but also where does it make business sense? Can we solve everything under the sun with AI? Folks believe that there's a giant red button that you can push and it'll solve all your problems. But we figured out different ways to tackle the problem from multiple angles.
We are using NLU for call steering, and we're blending AI call steering with ICE skills. Move away from rigid cues and then start focusing instead on agent skill sets. We combine that with NLU based on a client's requirement, and we get them to the right agent with the right skill set.
AI and automation have really brought a larger microscope into what's happening on the call center side. It's no longer siloed or kind of exiled from organizations.
Based on contact insights, we can use sentiment analysis to kind of isolate more problematic calls, for example, or just getting better agent experience.
Something simple like catch them. Putting that into quality control and auditing, we're seeing times cut down from 30-minute calls down to just listening to 1 minute.
Absolutely.
By going to the transcript.
With generative AI, we have the opportunity to go much broader. We can do wide spectrum in the way we deal with questions. Then we start dealing with different kinds of database and being able to pool it in whether it's your website or any other kind of unofficial documentation. The combination of both gave us a wide data set that we could work with.
So it's exciting because it brings new opportunities, new technologies, and new use cases that we obviously get to explore, implement, design, and I think that part of the business is really exciting.